How far now, my people? As I dey enjoy my Lipton tea, make una join me, make we hear the truth together. One chapter wey go change our life.
The story where Matthew writes. Matthew chapter 1. Jesus Christ, wey dem born for David and Abraham family, na him story be this. Abraham born Isaac. Isaac come born Jacob. Na Jacob born Judah and him brothers. Judah born Perez and Zerah, wey him mama be Tamar. Perez born Hezron, and Hezron come born Ram. Ram na Aminadab papa. Aminadab born Nashon. Nashon come born Salmon. Salmon born Boaz, wey Rahab be him mama. Na Boaz be Obed papa, wey Ruth be him mama. Obed come born Jesse. Jesse born David, wey be Israel people king. David born Solomon, when Uriah wife be him mama. Solomon born Rehoboam. Rehoboam na him be Abijah papa, and Abijah come born Asa. Asa born Jehoshaphat. Jehoshaphat come born Joram. Joram born Uzziah. Uzziah born Jotham. Jotham come born Ahaz, wey born Hezekiah. Hezekiah born Manasseh. Manasseh na him be Amon papa, and Amon come born Josiah. Josiah born Jeconiah and him brothers, for the time wey dem carry Israel people go be slave for Babylon. After dem carry Israel people go Babylon, Jeconiah come born Shealtiel. Shealtiel come be Zerubbabel papa. Zerubbabel born Abiud. Abiud na him be Eliakim papa. Eliakim come born Azor. Azor born Zadok. Zadok na him be Akim papa. Akim come born Eliud. Eliud born Eleazar, wey be Matan papa. Matan come born Jacob. Jacob born Joseph, wey be Mary husband. This Mary na him be Jesus Christ mama. So, from Abraham go reach David time, na 14 generation dey. And from David time go reach when they carry Israel people go Babylon, na 14 too. And from that time go reach when dem born Jesus Christ, na 14 generation e be. This na how dem born Jesus Christ. When Mary im mama don ready to marry Joseph, before dem begin sleep together, Mary come see say e don get belle with Holy Spirit power. Joseph wey wan marry am na person wey dey fear God well well, and because e no wan disgrace am, e come think for im mind say e no go marry Mary again. As e dey think how e go leave am, God angel show himself to am for dream, come tell am say,
Joseph, David pikin, make you no fear to marry Mary, because the pikin wey dey in belle na Holy Spirit give am. He go born boy, and you go call am Jesus Christ, because he go save him people from their sin.
These things go happen as God prophet talk.
See, the woman wey never sleep with man before go get belle, and he go born boy, and they go call am Emmanuel, wey mean God dey with us.
When Joseph wake up, he can't do wetin God angel tell am. So, he come marry Mary, but he not sleep with am until Mary born the pikin. Then he come name am Jesus Christ.
How far now, my people? With time, we go know the truth, and the truth go set us free. Make una like this video, share am, and follow am.